Hello, this is our second video about the topic algebraic fractions. In the first video we discussed very basic concept of algebraic fractions, its meaning and how to simplify very simple kind of algebraic fractions, how to simplify them. Now this is the first exercise I have shown here. So these are the questions based on the algebraic fractions, but they are not the and this is not the end of algebraic fractions, where I will keep posting some videos with some more content on the same topic, some more questions. So for in this video I'm going to discuss about how to solve such algebraic expressions, how to simplify them. So I believe you will be able to do all of these questions which are given in the beginning of this file once I explain you the questions which are given here. I will explain step by step each of the part, and in the video description box there will be given a link also, so you can fetch this PDF file from there as well. And if you have any question you can ask me. So now the first question is, it is an algebraic fraction 2a the whole square over a square. Now when we say 2 square, its meaning is 2 multiply by 2. Same way, if I have 2a square, that means it is 2a multiplied by 2a, and in the denominator we have a squared. You can write it like a times a. I am explaining in a very simple way so that everyone can understand. The way you are solving and the way I am explaining, there is a possibility that you can solve it in one step, or maybe you will take 2 steps, but the way I am explaining, I am trying to make it in such a way that everyone can understand it. Now this 2a, basically in algebra its meaning is 2 times a, and then again there is a multiplication sign, and then again 2a, that means 2 times a once again, and in the denominator we have a times a. 1a and 1a in the numerator and 1 denominator will be cancelled, then another a in numerator denominator will be cancelled. Now we are left with 2 multiplied by 2 in the numerator, which is 4, and here it is a and a is cancelled, so nothing is here, so it is basically 1. So 4 divided by 1, which can be written as 4. So this is my final answer. Okay, now the next question is 4n the whole square over 8n. See, there is a difference between the two terms. One is 4n squared and another is 4n squared. It means it is the square of 4n, so it is 4n times 4n, and here this is 4 multiplied by n square. Here n 4 is not squared, only n is squared. So now 4n squared means 4n times 4n divided by 8 multiplied by n, and now if you want you can write this 4n as 4 times n, and this another 4n also the same way, 4 times n divided by 8 times n. So n and n will be cancelled. 4 times 1 is 4, and 4 2s are 8, 2 1s are 2, and 2 2s are 4. So now I have n times 1, which is n, times 2, which is 2n, and in the denominator it is just 1, so we can we have no need to write it. So the final answer will be 2n. Next question is minus a the whole square over a. Now one thing is very important, if you take the square of a negative value, it is always equal to positive a squared, or you can say, for example, negative 2 squared, this is equals to negative 2 multiplied by negative 2. Now negative times negative will become positive, so it is positive 2 square, because 2 is coming twice. So if it is negative 2 square, you can consider it like 2 square itself. So minus a square is like a squared over a, which is a multiplied by a divided by a. 1 a in the numerator and denominator will be cancelled, and we will be left with the a. Next is, now instead of a single variable or a single number's square like this, we have an expression's square. The square process will behave the same way, it will work the same way, that it is x plus y times x plus y. So we can write it x plus y times by x plus y divided by x plus y. So this 1x plus y and 1x plus y will be cancelled, okay, and we will be left with x plus y. Now see, this full expression and this full expression, they are in multiplication, so we can cancel them out. If instead of this it is something like this, x plus y plus again x plus y divided by x plus y, then I cannot cancel like this, then this will be wrong, okay. It is explained in the previous video also. Now the next part is 2 times x plus 2 over x plus 2 the whole square. So here it is 2 and then a bracket, so that means it is a multiplication. So 2 times x plus 2 divided by x plus 2 times x plus 2. Again here it's a multiplication, so one factor is given here x plus 2, one is factor here x plus 2, that will be cancelled out, and in the numerator we are left with 2 and in the denominator it is x plus 2. So this is the final answer. Next question is, we have 2x plus 3 in one bracket, another bracket it is x plus 4. So basically there is no sign given between the two brackets, so you can consider it is a multiplication, because multiplication sign is normally not given, used in algebra while giving the final answers or while writing the expressions. And then it is 5 times x plus 4. So x plus 4 is present in both the numerator and denominators, which will be cancelled out. So we are left with 2x plus 3 divided by 5 as a final answer. If there is any number common, we have to cancel that as well. Now here we have 4 times, first bracket is x plus 1 and second bracket is 2x plus 3, and in between there is a sign multiplication, 2 times x plus 1. Now here we have x plus 1 factor common because it's a multiplication. See, what is the meaning of factor? When you write any number or letters in multiplication, so each of these are known as factors. So that is why 4 is a factor, x plus 1 is a factor, and 2x plus 3 is also a factor. And whenever you simplify the algebraic expressions, it is important to have the factors, then only you can simplify them. Now we have 2 here and 4 here, so they have a common factor of 2, so I can divide 2 by 2, which is 1, and 4 divided by 2 is 2. So I will be getting here 2 times 2x plus 3, and in the denominator it is just a 1. Now if you want, you can multiply 2 times 2x, which is 4x, like you can expand the brackets, and then 2 times 3, which is plus 6, and no need of writing 1 in the denominator. Next question is 2xy times x minus y. So this is basically 2 multiplied by x multiplied by y multiplied by x minus y. These all are the factors, and in the denominator it is 6 times x minus y. So x minus y would be cancelled out, x and x will be cancelled out, 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 3s are 6. So we are left with y over a 3. This is the final answer. Next question is 5 times y plus 2. So it is 5 times y plus 2, these are the factors, times y minus 3. So I wrote them in the multiplication form, and 15 times y plus 2. Now y plus 2 and y plus 2 will be cancelled out. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. You always have to look for the numbers also if they can be cancelled out, and as well as the expressions. So now the final answer will be y minus 3 over 3. This is the final answer. Now I want this video, you people can use this video, it can always it can be helpful for all of you. And if you have any suggestions regarding my videos, you are more than welcome. I'm gonna share my contact number as well. You can always contact me if you need a video on any particular topic. I will be more than happy to help you. So this is my number, 97158945028. Thank you everyone.